So one of the best things that you could do to a video to make it more exciting, more entertaining is just to put music. And in fact, I put a lot of music in my motovlog channel. I do it all the time as I'm riding my Harley Davidson. But where are you getting this music? And is it safe and all that? Well, I'm going to show you a place here in YouTube in Cell where you could get the music. You won't have any issues with the monetization or anything like that. I've been using this for a really long time. By the way, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post videos. Okay, so here I am in one of my channels in the back end, and I'm just going to show you very, very quickly. If you come to this page right here, you're going to go all the way to the left, and right in the bottom, as you scroll a little bit down, you're going to see audio library. Just click there. And now you're going to have all this library that is going to open up. But the thing about it is that not only you're going to have music, but you're also going to have sounds as well. Here we got a truck parking. And then again, if I come right here to the right, you see all the way to the right, it says download, right? And it's just very, very quickly, you could download and then use it with your software. But let me go into music right here. And again, there's a sound right here. The biggest thing that you kind of have to understand is the license. So if I click here, you guys can see this, right? It says YouTube audio license. You can use this audio track in any video, including videos that you monetize. Every now and then, you're going to have to copy some stuff and actually put it in the description. I'm going to play this. And by the way, you could kind of search if you're looking for it. You could click here on this and do a little search, direction and things like that. This is what I'm talking about right here. Every now and then you're going to have to write this. So essentially what you do is that you get the video and you copy this right here and you paste that in your description box. And that's about it, right? Very, very simple. You don't really have to do anything other than that, right? But again, let me come back here and show you a little bit more. So if I come here, I could click anything. I could go to country. Let's do a little bit of country right now and click here. Obviously 2 minutes and 22 seconds. All right, let's do something a little bit more heavy. Let's do some hip hop. I actually use this with my motorcycle channel. And you can see it right there, guys. And if you like it, you can kind of put a start on it. And when you come over here, you're going to have some of the music that you already have started. You can see I got a few right there. So that's pretty much it. There is many other places out there where you can find music and you can put in your YouTube videos as well. Some of those places you got to pay money and stuff like that. This right here is just a very easy way that YouTube is allowing you to get some music, and it really doesn't cost you anything. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.